Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important burning issue. So, this issue is based on the minerals, that is from the chemistry background. Recently, it was in news. Maybe in Ukraine, maybe in Russia, maybe US, maybe China, maybe India. So, the world is eagerly seeking for these materials. What are these materials? These materials are rare earth magnets. Rare earth magnet materials. So, those people are very eagerly interested to use to prepare the mobile phones, TVs, electromagnetic devices, so and etc., whatever it may be. So, based on their recruitment, they have to prepare they have to manufacturing in manufacturing company. So, those people are using these devices, these materials. Now, you have to see here the rare earth magnets, why it is in the news. China has imposed curbs on rare earth magnet. China has imposed to curb on a rare earth magnet because China now facing a shortage of the rare earth magnets. So, that is why they need not to export these rare earth magnets. Why? If they export, they will face the problem. So, that is why there is a imposition curbs on the rare earth magnets. What are about the rare earth magnets? Once you have to see rare earth magnet, especially neodymium, iron boron magnets. So, these especially neodymium, iron boron magnets, neodymium, iron boron magnets, NdFeB, neodymium, iron boron magnets are crucial for electric vehicles manufacturing, particularly in electric motors. In electric motors, this neodymium, iron boron magnets they are using. So, that is why it is very demandful materials. They provide the strong magnetic fields. This rare earth elements provides a strong magnetic fields needed for efficient and powerful electric motors, including traction motors that drive EVs. So, to prepare the electric motors, these rare earth magnets are needed. So, why it is needed? To provide a strong magnetic field. To provide a strong magnetic field, we need efficient magnetic material we need. So, that efficient and powerful electric motors, suppose Tesla, Tata. So, like these motors are coming now, electric motors are coming. In that, including traction motors drive EVs. So, these EVs can move based on the magnetic field only. Clear? So, that is why to create a efficient strong magnetic field, this rare earth magnets we need. Clear? So, that is why the China government impose curbs on the rare earth magnets. So, now you have to see these magnets also play a major role in other electrical voltage components like power steering systems, wiper motors and braking systems. So, for this we have to use these rare earth magnets. We have to use not only EV components, a major role other EV components also, electronic voltage components also, power steering systems, wiper motors and braking systems. China has a near monopoly over these rare earth elements. China is bigger one. So, this is a more rare earth magnet developed country is China. China has a near monopoly over these rare earth magnets. US and India are heavily dependent on Chinese exports of these metals. US is preparing the electric vehicles. India also now preparing the electric vehicles. So that's why US and India are heavily dependent because they have manufacturing units. So that's why they want to import from the China. So Chinese exports of these metals, clear. So these metals are more demandable metals in the market. So why it is in the rare earth metals, you have to see. These rare earth elements are a series of 17 substances are there. The rare earth elements are a series of 17 substances that are present in the earth crust. Where it is there? In earth, a mantle, crust, core, like that materials are there. You have to see in our YouTube channel. I told about our universe. In about our universe, what is the structure of the earth also I told to you. So there earth crust is there. So in the earth crust, under the earth there is a crust area is there. So from that crust area we have to brought so these rare earth magnets. Unlike what the name may indicate, rare earth occurs plentifully in nature, but rarity comes from the ability to isolate them chemically and make them usable in industrial applications. A plenty of rare earth elements are there, but to bring out and to make them as a usable of industrial applications, it is very so hard. It is a very tough job. So that's why the rarity comes from, why we have to use rarity? Plenty of availability is there. Why we have to use as a rarity? Comes from the ability to isolate them chemically. So ability to isolate from the raw material to rare earth magnet. So to separate, so that separate task is rare task. So that's why we call it as a rare earth elements. So demand for rare earth metals such as neodymium, dysprosium and praseodymium and yttrium is increasing alongside technical advancements. So these are the rare earth elements. I will show you after some time in the modern periodic table. So what are the rare earth elements you have to see. Heavy and light rare earths occur naturally in several countries such as India, China, Myanmar, Japan, Australia and North Korea. So these people are heavy and lightly rare earths occur naturally in several countries. So naturally in their countries earth consisting of these rare earth elements. China is the world's largest producer of rare earths, followed by USA. So China is the largest producer, followed by the USA. So to prepare the rare earth elements from their raw material. What is the significance you have to see? They are used in everyday technologies like cell phones, these rare earth magnets we are using, computer, these rare earth magnets we are using, in advanced medical technologies like MRIs and laser scalpels. So all the advanced medical technology also we are using these rare earth magnets. That's why these materials are very demandable materials. Now you have to see, this is the periodic table. In the modern periodic table, these many elements are there. Among these elements, so what is this? So total 17 elements are there. The scandium, yttrium, lanthanum series. In the lanthanum series, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, prometrium and samarium, yttrium and gadolinium, the terbium, the dysprosium and holmium, earthium, so thulium, yttrium, lithium. So up to this, how many you have to see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So these 17 elements we call it as a rare earth elements in the modern periodic table. Scandium, yttrium and lanthanum series. Lanthanum series, that is so 57 to 71 element we call it as a lanthanum series. So these elements we call it as a rare earth elements. So please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Like this science and technology information I will give to you in our YouTube channel. Listen and enjoy, and you have to remember these things and get the marks in your competitive examination. Thank you so much.